Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, an academy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. And now while coming to the present content of the video, here we are discussing about the most important topic to all the faculty members who are working in the higher education institutions and trying to do the PhD, or else who are doing the part-time PhDs by balancing their both teaching and the PhD or the research work. So on this topic, this video is going to be continue, guys. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are in the same situation, so it will be helpful to them also. And nowadays the PhD admission is becoming very crazy, and even the private institutes are also filled up their PhD vacant seats. Why? Because the MHRD on 2018 released one notice which is mentioning that from 2021 onwards, the candidates with the PhD is mandatory for the assistant professor jobs in the university. So by this notice, all the faculty members who are not having the PhD degree, they just start feeling tension and nervous, and they are hurry in taking the admissions for the PhD and finishing the PhD as early as possible. So in this process, so many faculty members are struggling a lot. Okay, even I observed personally, so many faculty members are struggling a lot to balance their teaching work, the teaching field in their working colleges, as well as with the PhD or the research work in the admission where they took the where they took in the colleges. Fine. So balancing both these two will become the very hectic thing. Why? Because while coming to the teaching, the rigid and fixed timetable will be there, so we have to maintain the timetable and maintaining the subjects and the courseworks and finishing within the time. And coming to the PhD work also, the reviews will be there, so we have to finish the publishing the journals, starting with the literature survey and publishing the journals. So maintaining both these two nowadays becoming the very hectic work, and the candidates not even spending the time with the family. So on this topic here, the NPTEL conducted one live session in the YouTube that I will provide the link in my description box of this video. So the suggestions are given by the Professor V. Vijayalakshmi, Department of Management Studies, IIT Madras, and the Professor Anuradha Banerjee, Department of Applied Mechanics from IIT Madras. So both these two professors are giving their suggestions how to maintain and how to balance the teaching and the PhD work. So please try to follow these suggestions, guys. So it is a NPTEL HRD poster regarding mentioning that watch the talk on balancing teaching and research by panelist Professor V. Vijayalakshmi and the Professor Anuradha Banerjee. And here the two more moderators are there. So Mishra, IIT Madras student, and this talk is a part of Women in STEM series of the NPTEL special lecture series. So it was already happened on the 17th October 2020 at 6 o'clock, but no problem. I will provide this link in the description box of this video, guys. So click on that one. So click on this link and then you will be directed to the NPTEL YouTube channel where the live session was happened. So it is a live session, guys. Already conducted, streamed on 17th October 2020. And here if you scroll down, you can check down in the description box of this video, post your comments and questions in this Google form link. So click on this link, then you will be directed to the Google form. See, guys, balancing teaching and research. So here you can post the questions or comments that are relevant to the theme of the live interaction and the speaker. So whatever the queries you are having, you may put your queries by mentioning your email address and the name and your city, state, wherever you are located. Okay, so whatever the queries you are having, so you may put those queries. So anyhow, I will provide this video link in the description box of this video, guys. So the candidates who are feeling some problematic regarding how to balance both these two, teaching and the research. So watch this video, you will get some suggestions, follow that one, and if you're having any queries regarding this session, then you may ask through the Google form link that provided in the description box of this NPTEL video, guys. Okay, so please share this information, or else please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are facing or who want such type of information. And for more videos, please subscribe my channel, and after subscribing, tap the bell icon, guys. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen, guys. Hi guys, my name is Ashwani Kumar and welcome to my channel. This video is especially for the candidates UGC NET Electronic Science. So the people who are going to write the exam in this 5th November 2020, here the Unacademy is providing the crash course that is titled as Crash Course on Electronic Science through Multiple Choice Questions. This course is going to start from October 1st onwards, and by this month end, the course is going to be finished. And by the starting of the November month, you will be ready with the class PDFs, and all the 10 units will be explained in brief. That means the important concepts, formulas, points, definitions, expressions, all these things we are going to discuss in this crash course, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the JRF in this 2020, guys. Okay. So apart from this one, the Unacademy is also providing the full course, or else the complete course for the electronic science who are planning to write the exam in the upcoming months or the upcoming years. So here the different subscription plans are there. That is 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So out of all these months, if you want to take the crash course, then you may prefer this 1 month. Or else if you are planning to write the exam in the upcoming months, you may take the 3 months, 6 months, 12 months or the 24 months. But if you are planning to take the subscription plans, then use my referral code, that is AshwiniK. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay. So apart from these plans here, before going to take all these things, first of all, refer to my Unacademy profile link. Okay. So in my profiling, that I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So if you once enter into my profile link, then you may check down. That means here the special classes are available. Special classes are the free to everybody. Okay, so just click on the see all. Then whatever the special classes I took, that means the free classes I took, that all these classes you can access, guys. Okay, so career opportunity with UGC or non-UGC NET Electronic Science, and regarding the previous year questions, here the 2017, 2018 July and December 2018, and the June and December 2019, all these questions are discussed here, and these classes are completely free. Okay, so first check the way of explanation whether you are understanding here or not, and then you prefer the subscription plans, guys. Okay, so it is the update that I want to provide to the candidates belongs to the UGC NET Electronic Science. And for more updates, please subscribe the channel, and after subscribing, tap the bell icon. And please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are going to give the exam for the UGC NET Electronic Science. Thank you, guys.